Anna Garcia status report.
Information on Anna. Anna Garcia is a 20-year-old 5'6" female. She's an undergraduate college student who works in the lab. Her daily schedule. Anna likes to post on social media, play soccer, study, and work in the lab. What may have occurred? In the lab, she could have spilled a chemical on herself, drank a chemical, and made her fall and bleed. What the scene looked like. Upon arrival, 10 a.m., Taylor Diaz called 911 after finding the body of Ana Garcia. There was blood scattered around the area along with a broken beaker and a note in her back pocket. The location of this was in the research lab where she works. The evidence found was blood, a beaker, a note, her cell phone, and phone.
Person of interest testimonies. Eric Pettimount. His heart rate didn't spike much. It made him seem nervous or anything. Dominique Hall seemed very nervous because her heart rate was very up and down throughout all of questioning. Taylor Diaz, his heart rate was very up throughout all of questioning. Dr. Opal, she was very calm throughout all of questioning. Sam Green, her statement seemed kind of untrustworthy because when being asked very in-depth questions about Anna and her death, her heart rate spiked up very much, that she seemed very nervous and anxious. Summary analysis. Digital evidence. Sam was texting Anna, blaming her for losing the game and talking about her hitting her. Dominique was texting Anna, very upset over Anna winning the scholarship over her. And Eric seemed to be trying to contact Anna, and she seemed to be ignoring him. DNA evidence. The fingerprint on the glassware matched Anna's fingerprints. Fingerprints on the note matched Eric's, and the blood matched with Anna's. Hair from the crime scene matched Eric's.
After analyzation of the data, this case appears to be either a homicide or a complete accident. Anna did experience major head trauma earlier in the day and took migraine pills, which in this scenario could cause a brain bleed, which would explain the unexpected death. On the other hand, one of the more likely suspects in our opinion, Eric Piedmont, seems like he may have committed a homicide, and would explain why the hair, fingerprints, and note from the scene had DNA traces from him. Although assuming this was a homicide, there would be signs of struggle at the scene, and we don't see much evidence of struggle at all, which may just show the homicide was efficient, but it does not explain the minor amounts of blood. For unknowns, we would like to know why all of Eric's DNA was on the items, and if so, why would he kill Anna? And for next steps, an autopsy and further questioning of Eric for an alibi would be perfect.
We do know that the blood on the table and floor does match with Anna Garcia's blood. By doing an autopsy on her brain, we can learn if there was any effects from the medicine that she took. We still don't know why the note was in her back pocket, and we have not been able to eliminate any of the suspects at this point, but we do have indicators that are helping us narrow it down.